Here we have stock number 21048. Now this GMC 06 Sierra just came in. We are selling every single part off of this vehicle, interior, exterior, under the hood, anything at all that you need. Give us a call at 559-264-3673. Let's check out the driver's side interior. Let's just go straight into the rear right here. And look at that trim panel, clean. Your seats look clean as well. Over here on the passenger side, clean trim panel, clean passenger seats. Glove department. That is the interior. Now this is under the hood. Got smashed in pretty good, but it does look like some parts will be salvageable. Look at that. In the back of the engine, it looks pretty good. It's a 5.3 liter. If you'd like to see more of our inventory, please follow us at 559 Parts and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that.